haven't made a video in a minute, but if you have seen this footage already, skip to this time already, because some of you already seen this. This is a repost, and I'm reposting this footage because some loser online decided to buy some random beat that I used and then did a shitty rap over it. So I had to repost because I'm not going to just let that monetization go to him. It's lame. So yeah, jump to that time real quick and get past this, and then we'll jump to what I'm actually doing now. So go, Caleb.
Wow, really making sure that shot is beautiful. Everything's organized, it's well lit.
Light.
Light.
So yeah.
Ready to say goodbye to this
Old, dirty, nasty thing? Yes. Do I know how to take it apart? No. Are we gonna figure it out? Yes.
Are we gonna break stuff? Maybe.
Probably. So, first things first.
Jack up your car.
Jack up your car. For no apparent reason, jack up your car. I'm probably gonna catch flack for putting a steering wheel without an airbag in the car.
That's pretty popular.
Yeah, but not having like a full harness and racing seat is like a no-no apparently, because
I
you
see.
get your face smashed in now because you just have a regular seat belt and a regular seat. So it's like,
well, when you're drifting this, you're gonna be on a track with a helmet on most of the time.
So when I'm actually thrashing it, I'll be safe. But
it still is unsafe.
Nobody cares. Everyone assumes that I'm gonna implode my face because I don't have a harness now. But I'm deleting.
At the same time, though, it's like you only control so much. Like someone could just run into you. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's just some people don't agree with taking any sort of security feature out, and I'm like, whatever. But that's what holds your whole steering wheel on.
One nut.
One nut to rule them all. Well, anyways, in the bin, and I need the hub adapter.
Over there.
Yeah. I want cameraman to like go grab it.
Over there.
Over there. Shortcut.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I got you.
Danger, danger!
Stranger danger. I need a shortcut to get to the parts that I need.
Oh my god!
I don't even need parts. I don't even need parts. Just some tools.
Well, because I already grabbed the parts.
Yeah.
The last trip.
Exactly. Exactly. See, we're halfway there.
Looks very nice.
I think I'm doing this right. If not, oh well. We'll fix it.
Okay, I don't think I can focus that close. There you go. Was that fun?
Makes good noise.
Yeah. Shout out to Sony for making pretty quiet autofocus.
I don't know what you're talking about, Aaron. I can hear it.
It's zooming. What you can hear. Boom! Pwned your ass.
Then never mind. Never mind. I like the gold too. I'm glad.
Well, that was it. Pretty painless install.
Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. I mean, I haven't turned the car on though.
Right, so we might get a bunch of warnings.
Nothing.
No warnings or anything yet?
No new ABS and brake have been on ever since I did the. No, I got Zero other warning lights. Too much fun. I don't know if I put it on straight or not, honestly. I actually didn't check that. I don't think I did.
You what?
I didn't put it on straight because I had to lock it when I was tightening it down, so I don't think it's straight. About time to turn around, you think? Yeah, I'm gonna stop maybe.
This beat is produced by Candles.
I think it's fucking quick. So now that I've got all that installed and figured out and whatnot, I actually had two major problems here with this wonderful setup. This is not centered quite right. This is kind of off, and when you're driving, the steering wheel isn't exactly, it's not centered. I drive like this. So I'm gonna fix this today, and then also a stupid problem I'm having. So that check engine light is on because of this being off. The cruise control I pulled off of this because it's not on the steering wheel anymore, and it's throwing the check engine light. So I gotta figure out a place to mount this, and I haven't really figured out what's gonna happen there yet. Okay, so because this is not B is for build, I don't have tearing apart all this, but what I do have is it all the way down to this, which is good, and I think I have it set right. I kind of have this, I know where I need to set everything essentially, but I have a few other things that are going to be going on here. This wonderful piece that I'm trying to get it to, I don't really know where to mount it other than of course I broke it taking it off. God damn it. Focus. So I've got one of these screw mounts still on there, and this one isn't. It broke off when I took it off because I'm impatient. But I was looking here, and I think it might actually fit quite nicely right like that. Just like that. So that's what I'm gonna try. Just bolt it right there and see how it sits. Don't do it. Wrong one, wrong one. This one was the wrong one. I lied. It's this one. This harness has black, yellow, green, and black, green. While this cruise control harness here has only black and red. Well, you can well imagine the black and the black go on this, but then you have two different greens. It's actually green and yellow, not green and black, that you want to splice into with your red wire. It's a little thing I found online. Took a little bit of digging, but good information, right? Alright, got them spliced in. It's that easy. Two wires. Hopefully, I mean, I didn't even really test it. What is that for? Maybe I have to clear it. I don't know. But does this work? Oh! I drilled a hole back on this top piece of plastic here, put a bolt through. It's a little flimsy right now. The bottom piece isn't even on yet, so that'll stiffen up a little bit, but sturdy enough to hold that, so we'll see. I'm gonna put this all back together and try and check the code and see if I can't clear it. So that's next. Solid on there. Yeah, it's a little flimsy, not gonna lie, but I mean, it's good enough to click on and off that. So I had reset the ECU one time because the cruise control was throwing a code. I checked it, I cleared it off like it was whatever, I had to do it in the back of my head, so now I decided to finally do it and get rid of the code. Well, I checked the codes, turned out there were a handful of them. 1564 had to do with the cruise control. That got cleared up, that's fixed, it's all hooked back together. I had a 1084, now that is the actual one that could be a problem, and that's EVT exhaust valve timing control position sensor, and that is supposedly on the driver's side, and I've replaced one on the passenger side before but not one on the driver's side, so we'll see if that acts up. It's clear now. We'll see if it acts up because I did take it on the drift event. We'll see. 1212 and 1001 were both dealing with the ABS system, and I know I've messed with that system because I have the Hydro installed and it hasn't come back yet. That's the first time I've seen that one, but I guess we'll see. But for now, seatbelt's not on because I'm parked, trunk is open, hydro. Check engine lights on. So yeah, this is mounted up nice. It's gonna sit there fine. I think I've got this straight. I'm gonna take it for a drive in a minute. Everything ready, and the clock spring's still fucked. I can feel it. Something's not right. I've now pulled this stupid steering wheel assembly off like 4 or 5 times now. I've tried to adjust it as best I can. There's no like notch that you can set it at, and to actually get it to pull off, you have to lock the wheel at a weird crooked angle and then just kind of guess where it's going to land. So hopefully it's sitting right. I'm over it now. I'm gonna go get food and test drive the shit out of this car and see if anything pops back up or any of the check engine lights pop back up. But hope you enjoyed the install video, repost, the fixing of the miscellaneous little problems that came up because of that, and keep watching for more cool stuff coming up soon. See you next time. Awesome.